So today I got some paint for wood and metal in pure white, and also I'm going to test and see how this looks like in Princeton satin color, because I also got the brushed steel switches and power sockets. So I will play electrician today. Hopefully I won't get electrocuted. I'm going to unscrew this. I turned off electricity in the house, so I shouldn't get electrocuted, but if I do, well, tough. I think the paint is causing this. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to carefully do this. Okay. So I took a photo, and now I'm going to unscrew this. This one. Push this and screw. Okay. The problem is it doesn't fit inside. Probably in this socket, right? It's mounted from the top. Oh no. Let's see. Same direction. I need to just close it. Now with the power socket mounted, I'm going to check if it works. So the main. So I have this light. I want to test this socket. So this is the first time I did this. Yes! It's actually working. I am proud of myself. I replaced the power socket myself. That's a small win. I'm going to do the same in this room.